How to save content in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to save a content or a post on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to save a content, simply find one which you want to save. You can simply scroll down and find it on your search bar at the top. Just right here and find it from here as well. Now once you locate the post or content that you want to save, here you can find three dot lines at the top. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find save option, just right here. Now tap on it. And now you can see your post has been saved. And that's it. This is how you can save a content in the Reddit app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.